In this video, I'm going to be reviewing the Artfish Baggy yoga pants and answering the question, are they yoga pants or are they lounge pants? Hi, I'm Ashley for Barefaced and Basic. Thanks for checking out my video. In this video, we'll be reviewing a pair of Artfish loose baggy yoga pants. And yes, that's a mouthful. I initially got these pants, was thinking about it's warming up outside, gonna be doing more hiking with my family. Usually I wear jeans, but I wanted something just a little more comfortable, light, breathable. So I got these, and let me tell you about my initial thoughts on these. Not exactly like the picture. The print, a little less sharp in the imagery. There's a lot of extra space, as you can see, but the length is good. I mean, I've got a longer inseam and they fit. They were long enough, and they are very comfortable pants. So now, these have been through the washer and dryer a couple times, and they've held up pretty good. They did shrink a little bit. Wasn't sure if they were going to. They're only 35% cotton, so the only thing is the drawstring. This is completely shredded. Happened the first time going through the dryer on low. But otherwise, like I said, the shrinking up a little bit helped them. They fit a little bit better now than they did. Overall, it's great. The tag says dry clean recommended, and honestly, that's not going to happen. So it's good that they're holding up. The print, it's really not what was pictured. The flowers aren't quite as sharp as they seem to be in the image. It looked more like the color was like a heather gray, black, and this is, it's almost like a burnout, but printed. I mean, they're not bad, they're just not quite what they were shown as. They're still long enough, so that's good. Overall, I like them, but on to the question, are they yoga pants or are they pajama pants? They're not yoga pants. Let me explain why. You're doing any kind of physical activity, you're moving around a lot, these are going to fall down. I catch myself pulling them up when I go up down the stairs. So that's my main reasoning for that. Lounge pants, perfect. You want to grab a book, curl up in a recliner and read? These are your pants. Or watching my videos. Hi guys, I forgot something again. What do we need them to do?
Press the like button.
That's right. If you like this video, please be sure and hit that like button. And if you want to see my other videos as they come out, please be sure and subscribe. Thanks.